Wish this thing could zoom in, but the thing you can sort of see is a squirrel. Yeah. You can see him really good from here, but I don't see why the video is so really crappy from here. You can see him perfectly from right here. For some reason it just wants to zoom out for some reason. Oh well. Well, you can see him right there. There's a squirrel. I don't think this thing has the ability to zoom in, but it's a squirrel. I'm gonna go outside and see if I can get a better shot of him. There's John. John, sit. Sit. Okay, that was just a little bit of an alarm mishap. Oh boy. Ah, fuck! Looks like this whole thing was for nothing.